Welcome to Fulsome Vehicle Heaters YouTube channel. You're probably here today because you've brought one of our copper and brass heaters to replace your old Valeo type alloy original. The main reason for failure on these old units is blockage. If you look at the water tubes on this cross-sectioned original, you will see that they are really narrow. This means that any particles in the water system will end up here and your water flow is going to be compromised, leading to no heat coming through the heater. Our water tubes are much larger, as you can see, and therefore they won't block up. If you replace your failed unit with an equivalent alloy unit, be warned, it is probably going to block up and you'll be back doing a costly replacement before you know it. Your heater may be for the Golf, Audi A3, Seat Leon, Skoda, Mitsubishi or one of several others. The first thing you may notice is that the brass flange looks a little different to the alloy original. Don't panic. It's okay and it will work. There is an instruction sheet in the box and I can give you a small demonstration now. The original pipe may be fitted using a clamp like this and comes off like this. You no longer require the clamps or the seals, you'll be using the ones supplied. Fit the O-ring over the pipe with a little lubrication. I use silicone here. Push the pipe firmly into the fitting. This will be a fairly tight fit as it has to make a seal. Make sure that the O-ring is pushed fully into the fitting and that the two flanges meet. You can now put the clamp on. The clamp has a wide flange and a narrow one. The wide side holds the pipe in place. Do up the screw and you are finished. Don't worry that the pipe still turns around. This is normal and can aid fitting. The important thing is that it won't pull out, and I can assure you that it won't. If you're looking for any other heaters or information, visit our website www.vehicleheaters.co.uk.